Hello everyone, this is Amritpal Singh. Welcome to the next video of this packet tracer series. Guys, in this video I'll be talking about basic CLI commands. So I've already have opened up the packet tracer and I've written something in the label, right? Guys, you must be wondering what are these 5 keywords, right? So these are the 5 different modes of any Cisco device. So we are having 5 modes of operation, which is user EXEC mode, privilege EXEC mode, global configuration mode, interface configuration mode, and Roman mode. So I'll be demonstrating the all modes with the one router. I'll be taking one router on which I'll be executing all the commands, and I'll be like telling you, let you know also like how we can shift from one mode to another mode and what's the meaning of these little modes, right? Alright, so guys, let's start with this, and alongside I'll be discussing all the commands as well, right? So for demonstration I'll be taking one router, and the very first mode which I'll be discussing is Roman mode. Roman mode means it's a mode which we go into whenever we need to like do some troubleshooting thing, right? Like in the regular operating system on a Windows also we have this networking prompt available, like we just like land into the safe mode, right, or networking mode if something goes wrong. Similarly, like we have Roman mode available. How to enter the Roman mode? We need, whenever we are opening up the router, it will be start booting up, right? Router's iOS will be start booting up, and while it is booting we need to press Ctrl+C to enter into the Roman mode. Although the commands of this Roman mode, it is out of the scope of this video, but let me show you how to enter to the Roman mode. The reason I'm showing it the Roman thing at very first, because at very first you'll be having the booting process, right? So I'm just dragging 2911 to the workspace, and I'll be immediately going to CLI, and you will find the OS is booting. While the OS is booting, you need to press Ctrl+C from your keyboard. Okay, go to the router. Let me drag in. Go to the router, double click, go to CLI. It is booting up. Just press Ctrl+C. This hash sign indicates it's booting up, right? And while it was booting, I just simply press Ctrl+C just to enter the Roman mode. You can see it's the Roman mode, right? So what are those commands of Roman mode? It is out of the scope of this video, so I'll not be discussing it now. So let's now go to the physical mode and let's switch it off. Okay, this is a physical switch available. I'm just making it off and making it on again. You can see now it is again booting, right? So this was the first mode, Roman mode, right? So we just have restarted our router so that we can just enter into the other modes. So whenever you get this dialog box in front of you guys, you need to just simply write no and press and return to get started, means press enter to get started. The very first mode on which you will be landing into, this is called as user EXEC mode, right? It's a default mode after booting. So when you get this, simply write enable command. When you write enable command, you will be entering into privilege EXEC mode. This hash indicates it's a privilege EXEC mode. If you want to go back, write disable again. Disable. Alright. Although the shortcut command also work, like if you write en, it will also work. Okay. Now we are in the second mode, which is privilege EXEC mode. Here we can run some commands, like if I want to see the clock, it will be displaying. If I want to know the history, that what commands I have executed, you can check that I have executed these much of commands. If I want to see the interfaces of the router, we can do it. Okay, you can see all the interfaces are being shown in detail, right? So I'm just keep on pressing enter, or simply press escape to come out of this like long detailed information, right? If you want to see all the interfaces of a router in a summarized way, so we are having this. Okay, show space IP space interface space brief. You can see now currently because haven't connected any cable to this router, so every port is down. Gigabit Ethernet is down, this is also down, like everything is down, right? But this is the command which we can execute, right? Very handy command. So these are some of the commands that we can execute on this mode, which is called privilege exec mode. Let's go to the next mode, which is global configuration mode, on which we configure our router. So we need to write configure. Always make a habit of using the tab, right? It will complete the command for you. Configure terminal, press enter. You will be now finding that we are now currently on the router configuration mode because we got config written over there. And here, guys, we can write all the commands. So next point which we can do right now is, like, now we need to write interface, okay, because we know the interfaces are gigabit, so we need to write G, then simply press tab. It will complete the command for you, because you need to go to the interface one by one, right? So I'm going to the first interface, which is 0 by 0. You can see now I've entered into the config if mode. This is called interface configuration mode, right? On this interface we can like assign the IPs, right? Just see, IP address in this way. Let's suppose I want to give this IP address, so space subnet mask. So here we need to write the mask of our own, right? If you want to switch on this interface, you need to write no shutdown. You can see now the port is changed to up. Earlier it was down, right? So guys, these are some of the basic commands that we can execute on this packet tracer, on this router, right? Although these are not the complete set of commands, it was just a basic demonstration video. In I just thought of making just to let you know that how we can make use of these all modes of operation, right? I hope you must have got some information about these modes. Rest of the things I'll be discussing in next video, right? Thanks for watching, guys. See you in next video.